Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all how to make kachorie. We're going to be air frying these, but of course if you wanted to bake them or fry them regularly you can. So if you guys would like to see how to make this amazing recipe, keep watching. So to start, I already have my split peas or dal that I soaked overnight. And what I'm going to do is place a couple cups into my food processor along with some bandania or cilantro, some scallions, some onions, garlic and hot pepper. Usually I use chana or chickpea for this, but the traditional way you use split peas. So you want to give this a good pulse. You want a really fine, smooth end result. So once you've gotten that consistency, empty it out into a big bowl and continue repeating the steps until you've blended out all of your split peas or dal. You guys see the consistency of it? It's not chunky, it's nice and fine, and that's what you want. And it smells really amazing with all of those aromatics. Now we have to add in salt to taste. In goes some baking powder, some yeast. I like putting both. If you wanted to omit one, feel free to. Now I'm going to go in with my flour. The flour is going to help hold this together so it doesn't fall apart on you. Turmeric or saffron as we say in Trinidad. And I want to show you guys, it does say saffron in Trinidad, guys, because a lot of you all messaged me and said it's not saffron, it's turmeric. So I want you all to know in Trinidad we call it saffron, hence the pack. Now you want to give this a good mix, mixing everything really well. And you'd want to go in with your hands once you've mixed in all of your dry ingredients into that split peas. You'd want to go in with your hands because we're not adding any liquid to bring this together. So you'll go in with your hands and start squeezing. That will activate the gluten in the flour, and that's what's going to help hold this patty together. This is a great vegetarian recipe that would make a veggie burger also, guys. So form it into a ball. And after you form it into a ball, go ahead and press it out into a disc. And then you place it onto your wire rack, or you can bake them or fry them as I said. I'm going to continue making the rest of the patties. And if you guys wanted to do a combination of split peas and chana or garbanzo bean, feel free to. You can mix it half and half. And this also makes a great coating for baigani or sahina. It's a delicious, nice, crunchy coating you'll get rather than using the split pea flour. So I'm spritzing with a little bit of canola oil. You don't have to if you don't want to. And then these go into my air fryer. Next, I'm going to set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm going to let them bake for 20 minutes or air fry for 20 minutes. After the first 20 minutes was up, it looked like it still needed more cooking. So what I did was I flipped them over. And once I flipped them over, I put them back again to air fry for another 20 minutes. And you want to keep your eye on it. If it finishes before 20, you take it out. And it should have a nice golden brown color when it's done. Look how amazing these look. Really easy to put together and really healthy at the same time. Now today I'm serving mine with some tamarind chutney. It's a spicy tamarind chutney that's seedless and it's so amazing. And this is what I've been using for the longest while instead of you having to go through the hassle to make your own. So I'm going to break into one so you all can see the consistency on the inside. It has a really nice fluffy consistency on the inside and has a crisp exterior. It goes really great with this tamarind sauce, and it was super delicious. I'm sorry you guys can't hear how crunchy it was because my son was making too much of background noise. So you'll just have to believe me when I tell you it was really, really good. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment, let me know down below what you think and if you like it. Thank you all so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I'll see you all in my next video. Stay safe, everyone.